Welcome to a lesson with Dr. Powell. Let's take a look at the equation of this parabola and rewrite it in standard focus form. We multiply this whole equation by 2y. And why do we do that? We do that because we want the coefficient in front of the x squared to be 1. 12x plus 14, where we multiplied everything by 2 on both sides and distributed the 2 on this side. So this is almost in standard form. We know we have a 1 coefficient here, but to really be in standard form, we need this guy right here to be completed, or we need to complete the square on this part over here. X squared minus 12x is replaceable by x minus 6 squared, but then the trade-off is to subtract the square of negative 6, which is 36. So we subtract 36, and then we add 14. And the effect is to give you negative 22. Negative 22, x minus 6 quantity squared is equal to 2y. Now, this right here is our standard focus type form for our parabola. Now, given this, we should be able to identify a few things. We should be able to identify, or a couple things, that is what p is. P is equal to 1/4 of this number. So 2 divided by 4 is a half, so p is a half. Also, we know that the focal diameter for p is simply just 2, this number. Okay, now what is the center? Now, to get the center, we really need it to be in the other standard form, where the coefficient of the y is 1. So we divide everything by 2, and we get 1/2 x minus 6 quantity squared minus 11, divided everything by 2. That means the center is at 6, negative 11. So we get our p value, and we get our center value, our center coordinates, that is. And from there, we can compute or find, graph this parabola and the and where the directrix and the focus is. So we have 6, negative 11. So we go, so it looks like, why don't we just do 6 and you go down. Suppose negative 11 is right here. That's the center. And we know p-value is right close by. It's only 1/2 up. The directrix is just 1/2 down from there. And the focal diameter is 2. So that means we're going to go like the full length across. So it's really just like 1 that way and 1 that way. So it's going to look something like that when we go to graph it. So this number 2 is just the distance across right here, right at the height of the focus from the vertex. Okay, so we just successfully graphed this, rewrote it in standard form both ways, and we have our parabola. Thanks for watching.